Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have something that has been long awaited for me. Over a year. It's an Ulta haul. And it's not just any Ulta haul. This is my 2,000 points or $125 from my 2,000 points replacement haul. This surprisingly is stuff that I didn't pay a penny for. Not technically. I used my 2,000 points and 38 cents from a gift card that I got for Christmas that has just been sitting there, and I got a ton of stuff. And it's not actually all for me. There is a few things that I got from my mother-in-law. I'm going to show you those anyway, but this is my official 2,000 points Ulta replacement haul. And yes, I'm still on a no-buy. These are all replacement items or items that I use really frequently, or I go through them very quickly, or items that I just didn't have in my collection that I felt that I needed to keep my collection cohesive so I can stay on my no-buy. I hope that made sense. I'm going to show you what I got my mother-in-law first. I have it all spread out on my desk, and let's get into it. Here is the first thing that I got. These are the Matrix Vavoom Height of Glam Volumizing Foam. There are 3 of them, and like I said, that is for my mother-in-law because, you know, she needs to have her stuff too. Continuing on with hair, the rest of it is for my hair. Actually, everything left is for me. I got a lot of hair products, and the first thing that I got is the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. And I got 2 of them. These were highly recommended by some of the people that I watch here on YouTube that have wavy to curly hair. And I've been wanting to try the Shea Moisture line for a very long time. And I don't have a lot of things that are appropriate for curls, like paraben-free, sulfate-free. And I just really wanted to try products that were right for my hair. So I have 2 more Shea Moisture things that I want to show you. This first one is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, which is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt. Really looking forward to trying this. I've heard amazing things about this one. And I also got the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which is kind of like, the way it was explained to me, is kind of like a leave-in conditioner with a little bit of a styler in it. So that makes my life easy if it does in fact work that way for me. Everything else is on the makeup spectrum, and it shouldn't take me too long to go through it because I got 5. I know that sounds excessive, and I'm going to knock one over because, you know, they're all right here. 5 of the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Sprays. My girl Amanda swears by these, and I have missed having setting spray. I can go through them quickly. These were on sale, buy 2, get 2. So they were roughly $5 a piece. And you have to actually buy 2 to get 2 of all of the things that were Ulta Beauty brand. So that's why I got 5 of these. And I will go through those quickly. And part of the reason I wanted to get multiples of certain things that I go through quickly is I don't want to have to go and buy things when they're not on sale, and I don't want to have to go and purchase things frequently, like buy a mascara every month, because there's that temptation. So, you know, we'll go for that. Next thing I have is mascara, oddly enough. Actually, I got 3 of them. One of them is going to my mother-in-law. These are the Ulta Beauty. This is the Maximum Lashes, the light pink, and the darker pink one is the Twisted Volume. I wanted to try both of those. They had good reviews on them, so I wanted to give those a try. So, like I said, 1 of each of these is for me, and 1 is for my mother-in-law. All right, moving on to the last little bit for my face, and then of course I got some free samples. I got 2 of the NYX color correcting powders. I got the green and I got the lavender because I do have some yellowy patches, but I also get red patches. So I really wanted to have some good correcting powders to work with. And on the correction end, I got some lavender correctors. I got this one from Ulta Beauty. This is just the color correcting liquid concealer in lavender, and it's waterproof. And I wanted to try the potted one. This is the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in lavender. I wanted to see which one works better for me. And I have a feeling this one will work better under my eyes, and the potted one will work better on the yellow patches on my face. I got something much needed, and I wish I had had this sooner. This is the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white. If I had had this, I would have finished my foundation in 7 Deadly Pans, because that one was just too dark for me. So if I had had this, it would have been finished. I have 2 other concealers. These are the Wet n Wild concealers. I think they say Photo Focus. Yes, the Photo Focus concealers. I got 2 different colors because I wasn't sure what color I was. I got 840B Light Ivory and 841B, which is the light medium beige. One is probably going to end up being used on my face and the other under my eyes to do some brightening. And again, I don't know what color I am, so that's why I got 2 of those. And the last 3 items, not counting the samples that were sent to me for free, I got 2 powders from Ulta Beauty. They're finishing powders, and they are in light to medium, because other than what I have in one project right now, I don't have any pressed powder. And I like to have that in my purse to kind of like touch up and stuff. And I also got the Ulta Beauty finishing powder in translucent, which of course after I ordered this, I saw Floralisa mention that it kind of gives a white cast, but we'll see how that works out. The last thing I got were the free samples. Not a whole lot, not super impressive, but hey, it's free. The Acqua di Gio, it's the Giorgio Armani perfume. Yeah, I think that's guys, but that's okay. I wear guys stuff. And the Clinique Moisture Surge, and this is the Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. I actually really like the Clinique Moisture Surge, so I'm excited to have a little bit for me to use again. Sorry, a little scattered. It's late at night, and I've had a long day. I was out in the sun with my kids, and yeah, my brain's not fully functional today. Anyway, that is my Ulta 2000 points replacement haul. This may seem like an odd haul to you, but these are the items that I need or will use quickly and frequently. It's not super exciting. No blushes, highlighters, no eyeshadow, none of that stuff. Just things that I really felt like I needed to either replace because I used it up in my collection or I was just missing from my collection. So there you have it, my replacement haul, my Ulta 2000 points haul, and I'm happy with everything that I got. If you guys have done a 2000 points Ulta haul, let me know what you got. I'm just curious because I'm kind of nosy like that. I want to know what people get when they do their hauls for the points. Do you get things that you normally wouldn't buy, wouldn't spend your money on because it's a splurge? Do you just get the things that you need? What do you guys do with your points? I got all of my points through the salon. I didn't really shop for anything at Ulta, and this probably took me a year and a half to 2 years to accumulate enough points, and I'm happy with it because I was going to get my hair done anyway. If they want to give me free product for it, I'm all for that. Anyway, I really hope you liked this haul. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.